9 Wonderful Walk-in Closets. This attic conversion whips up space for a sizable wardrobe. The walk-in closet by Jasmine Reese Interiors features pale, violet cabinetry and flocked velvet wallpaper on the ceiling. Rich accents, including brass hardware and a rustic rolling library ladder, enhance the luxurious vibe. Along the back wall, smart open storage solutions involving shelves and hanging racks set the stage for a curated collection of shoes, clothing, and accessories. Note the mirrored cabinetry and how it makes the compact space feel twice its actual size. When creating an exceptional walk-in closet, consider these tips from the experts at Luca Lanzetta Group. This sleek, walk-in closet keeps proportion, clean lines, and proper lighting in mind. The floor-to-ceiling modern cabinetry addresses the first 2 points. They establish a uniform tone that keeps the space from feeling cramped or cluttered. Finding what to wear in a dimly lit area is not exactly efficient. Deliberate lighting, as shown, is an essential ingredient for staying organized. Sometimes the best walk-in closet works double duty, as shown here by Judd Builders. The epic space features tons of concealed storage on the left wall plus built-in drawers and shelving toward the right. Under the window is a dressing table, which could also function as a desk. The middle of the walk-in closet doubles as a home gym with a spinning bike for working up a sweat. A functional closet is designed with purpose and function in mind, says Darla Dillion, the head of architecture and design at Cortland Living. The best examples should make pulling together looks for work or a date enjoyable rather than a hassle. Here storage baskets, shelving, racks, and a hat wall keep things organized, neat, and mostly insight for grab-and-go dressing. The truth is, most of us do not have walk-in closets bigger than most NYC apartments. So here is a real-world example many of us can relate to by Krista, the decor blogger behind the Happy Housa. She made the most of her modestly sized space using components including drawers, racks, and shelving from IKEA's Pax wardrobe system. Decorative accessories from the glam mirror to striking pendant light make the closet super inviting. Our favorite idea is the blue and white wallpaper. While it does not add function, it does contribute a pop of pretty texture. If you think you do not have the room to create the walk-in closet of your dreams, behold this example by architect Michael Menn. The homeowners ditched the junk in their attic to make room for this bright and airy space. Customized storage solutions like the mirrored wardrobe on the right make the most of the angled ceilings. In the center of it all is a storage island for accessories and concealed shoe racks. We love the idea of making spaces built for utility pretty. Here a small chandelier elevates the look and feel of the walk-in closet. Create a walk-in closet that shows off your stylish personality with these tips from EJ Interiors. Plenty of shelving and compartments, some with glass doors, keep collections of shoes and clothing on view, not to mention within easy reach. A whimsical message made of metal adds a little decorative sizzle. A window seat on the far right and a drop-dead gorgeous crystal chandelier further personalize things. A spare room becomes an impressive walk-in closet with a little help from the decorating experts at Laurel and Wolf Interiors. Take a gander at the clothing racks made from copper piping, which any DIYer can find at most home improvement stores. Inexpensive white shelving makes more space for stuff. Colorful wallpaper turns what would have been a box-like room into a welcoming space. At the center of it all is a cushy white ottoman for putting on shoes or simply lounging. Directly above is a small crystal chandelier that signifies luxury. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more interesting videos. And please hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm.